Today's Clear Impact Biohack focuses on how we use our cell phone.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Carl. We're Clear Impact, biohacking for beginners. We help you calm your mind,
Increase your cognitive and physical energy,
and live life with more vitality.
If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks.
Would you be shocked if we told you that your cell phone might be killing you?
Yeah, there's a lot of EMFs coming off of our phones.
Right, and so what are EMFs?
Well, they're electromagnetic fields.
Right, and electromagnetic fields happen everywhere in nature. Our planet has a magnetic field, that's why we have a magnetic North Pole. The sun, the stars, other planets, everywhere in nature.
Yeah, and same with us as human beings. We are connected to nature, and we are also electric beings. Beautiful nervous system sending electric signals all the way up and down the body, communicating to everything that's happening in our own biology. And there are a lot of them are regulated by this electromagnetic field.
Right. And so a lot of our biological processes in our body have an electric aspect to them or electromagnetic aspect to them. And we're impacted by electromagnetic fields. We're impacted by the planet's electromagnetic field.
Yeah, and our field itself is actually a measurable field. We have a distance from the heart, a distance from the brain with our own electromagnetic field. So really cool stuff.
We know that there's tons of natural EMFs all around us, but we've also got man-made EMFs all around us.
Yeah, they're known as non-native EMFs. They're everywhere.
Right, and since we discovered electricity some 100 plus years ago, we've been creating machinery and things that use electric current and that create electromagnetic fields.
Yeah. The more we want to be connected to all the gadgets and everything, it's just rising more and more now. You know, you think about what you have in your home that you have to plug into a wall. That's all of that has a field of some kind, whether it's your fan, whether it's the lights, whether it's your washing machine. All of these things are emitting an electric field.
Or anything with a battery in it.
Yeah.
Right, if it's turned on.
Yeah.
And a lot of these things are emitting EMFs constantly. Like the Wi-Fi in your home is constantly sending out a signal as long as it's plugged in, right?
Yeah.
Your refrigerator is constantly sending something out.
All the smart meters now.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And so EMFs are everywhere, right?
Yeah.
And one of the greatest examples of that.
And non-native for sure.
Non-native, yeah. And one of the greatest examples of that is your microwave. We actually use that to cook food, and that's done through a radiation wave, right? Now, granted, a powerful one, but if you link it back to the cell phone, these things get hot when we're using them a lot, right?
Yeah.
So we got to wonder how that's impacting us.
Yeah, the whole frequency in relation to heat and, you just feel it. When you're around these things, if you're really paying attention and you're not just stuck in your head running around and go, you have a moment to just stop and connect, you're going to feel it biologically because for my experiences and how I feel around a lot of these devices is I feel my nervous system get revved up. So it almost has this impact on my ability to stay kind of clean with my nervous system and that electric pulse that's constantly being transferred throughout my entire body. Right. I notice it, absolutely.
Right, and if you want to notice it, go stand under some high voltage power lines.
Yeah.
That's the easiest place to go, wow, it's buzzing. You touch something that's grounded below those and you can feel that current going through you.
There's this whole, as far as electrosensitivity, if you were to even spend some time doing a little research on this, you're going to notice that this is kind of a big thing that's starting to hit a lot of conversations now is electro sensitivity.
Right.
Just like allergies, where you don't know what's giving you the allergy until you get tested or figure it out. But same with all these devices. Some of us are becoming very sensitive to these devices.
Right. And why is that? Well, it's again going back to the natural EMFs. Our bodies are electromagnetic systems in many respects, and the biological processes in our bodies have an electromagnetic aspect to them.
Yeah.
So it only makes logical sense that if we're being bombarded with these non-native EMFs, they're got to be impacting us in one way or another.
Absolutely.
So we're going to share with you a couple of really simple biohacks in one area of your life that affects everybody because we've all got a cell phone, right? Yeah. And these things are emitting EMFs constantly. Yeah. So what's the first hack we're sharing, Adam?
Well, the big one is to not be holding these close to your body, right? So if you go on to any of the smartphone companies and you read their legal claiming and information on the website, it will tell you not to hold these close to your head or any part of your body.
So if they're saying don't hold it close to your head, they know there's an impact, right?
Yeah, so you can just feel it too, that these things get really hot, and if they're on your body, you're getting a direct pulse right into your body. So the hack is to either use your speakerphone, which I know is not ideal, but if you can put it on speakerphone and not even be touching it if you can, that's ideal.
Right.
But the other one that's even easier is just get a set of headphones, stick the headphones in, and then there you go. Super easy.
Bluetooth in the car.
Bluetooth, which has a
Yeah.
frequency as well, but at
Right.
least it's not right on you.
Yeah.
But the headphones is a great way to go.
Okay, and the number 2 hack is put this thing on airplane mode when you're not using it. You're in a meeting, you're working out, you're in your car driving, you're not supposed to be on your cell phone anyway, you don't get fined and you don't get the EMFs. So put that thing on airplane mode and it stops emitting signals searching for the Wi-Fi signal.
Yeah, that's a great hack. You know, when I first started to do that one, it was a bit annoying at first for sure. But after a little while, I felt myself always wanted to get it onto airplane mode as much as possible because I could feel it biologically that there's a big shift. So share with us in the comments section below if you have any questions or comments or want to share the results around this practice.
And we love learning from you, the community. So please share with us any ways that you decrease your EMF exposure.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do to receive more impactful and easy to implement biohacks.
And hey, thanks for watching.
We're Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind,
Increase your cognitive and physical energy,
and live with more vitality. Oh yeah!
and live life with vitality.
Live with more vitality. You know what we mean.
Live life, no, because that's you're saying you said you didn't like more vitality because you're saying you don't have. Oh, you're telling me I don't have any vitality.
Live life with more vitality.
No, live life with vitality. No, live life with more.
Live life with more vitality.
Right. Okay. Let's start again. Sorry, Christian.